Hello guys. Well, I thought about replacing front speakers on my Tacoma for a while, and I finally decided to do it now with the JBL GTO939 speakers. I'm sure they're good since I love my little boombox. How it sounds amazing. I thought speakers should be good on my Tacoma 2018. We'll see. Okay, I got speakers out. They come with a beautiful screens, but I don't think we need them. There. Nice big magnets here, big body, beautiful, nice looking speakers. There is a button on this speaker. I think if it's on, it's gonna be a little louder. I'll pop this plastic. There is a screw behind, and I got that screw out. It seems like very easy. These tools help so much. And then I need to unplug those cables. Okay, got it. Don't break the steps. And then I need a screwdriver. Got my screws. 4 screws. And speaker. Oh my goodness, that's so light. It's like air, it's nothing. Paper speaker. Almost no magnet at all. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe it. Comparison. How big magnet is here. And that one, oh my goodness. That's cool. We're gonna be putting these panels on the back. Okay, I got all covers. Got the paper out, so it's sticky material. We're gonna just put this deadening material on the back, and it's gonna be much better. Okay, first speaker installed. It was kind of tight. Nice speaker. There is a button, I believe needs to be pushed in for louder. I'm not even sure. Okay, I got that deadening material installed all across, so should be better. Put the clips back, put everything back, put plastic back. Push this in from the top, and then just make sure everything clips in inside. Good. Put screws back. I don't know if I can show you with one hand, but putting this bracket back, window control and doors, you just slide it in first, and then this plastic clips in, like that. Okay, push all the clips back, push this one back. Everything installed. Same thing on the other side. I'm not gonna do the video, and then we will test it. Passenger side, much easier to get this control off because smaller clips, easy to pull them out. Driver side was harder. Okay, screw it in. New speaker, time to put all the covers and screws, and we got tested. We got try any kind of song before we replace the speaker. Okay, speakers installed. We're gonna test it. All covers back, everything looks good. We're gonna test it. Oh my God, there is no other one like you. Early in the morning, I was seeking, I will find you. My only survival pin. In this weary land, just put my weary soul in your hand. Though I walk through the sand dunes, you will never leave me. Hoping that the dry lands will make me come up leaning on the everlasting arms. The only one who kept me from unseen harm. Watching out for vultures flying overhead, chucking spears at them, keeping them at bay. 'Cause even vultures got a place in my life. The pressure that they bring make me lean on the Almighty. They got me leaning on the Almighty. You are the bread, you feed my weary soul. You are the water, I'm never gonna thirst again. Your body broken, this I will remember for eternity. Your love poured out, flowing down, 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 down. You are the bread, you feed my hungry and weary soul. Sounds good. I think I can feel a little difference. It's hard to tell. Somebody said that we need to break it in 1 week or something, speakers, so we'll see. I'm happy so far. Flowing down, 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 that's why I say. So I sing, oh my God, there is no other one like you. Early in the morning, I was seeking, I will find you. My only survival plan in this weary land is to put my weary soul in your hand. Oh my God, there is no. Second time, I think bass is much better, more clearer. I'm actually enjoying listening music. I think I like it. So far I like it. My truck is dirty. I didn't do the back. Maybe I will do the back next. But over here Much quieter on the front. Much more sound comes from back doors than front doors. I can feel the sound on the back here.
Please have mercy on this town that longs to see your beautiful face.
Thank you. Bye bye.